Connecticut business owners and future entrepreneurs. If you're hearing this, there's a good chance you're either running a business in our lovely state or thinking about launching one soon. So let's dive into something essential for your business, a registered agent. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, if you're wondering what a registered agent is and why you need one, let's break it down for you. A registered agent is someone who receives legal papers and important notices on behalf of your business. Think of us as the gatekeeper, ensuring that you never miss out on any crucial information. Why does Connecticut require businesses to have a registered agent, you ask? Well, Connecticut, like many other states, needs a reliable way to communicate with businesses. It's basically their way of saying, hey, we need someone in the state who we can reach out to anytime, just in case there's a business-related matter. And this is where we come in at legalregistration.com. We've been doing this for a while, and to let you in on some interesting statistics, we've served as the registered agent for thousands of businesses nationwide. In fact, we are the #1 registered agent service in the nation. And that's not us bragging. That's based on the sheer number of businesses we serve and the positive feedback we've received. Being #1 means we understand the unique needs of Connecticut businesses. We are committed, reliable, and most importantly, our dedicated experts are always there when you need them. So whether you've been in business for 20 years or 20 minutes, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to access our registered agent services over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on registered agents? Does it make sense to you why having an agent is a government requirement for so many businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.